we are using this for this. I'm my mother. It's so fucking weird. Who do you become? Who do you fucking become? I don't really want to like take off my pants, but I feel like you're not gonna understand the exercise that I'm doing if I don't show more skin. So this is for science and nothing else, okay? This is for science. Don't make me uncomfortable. Give me one sec. Okay, so we are going to be focusing on whatever fucking muscle is right here, kind of butt stuff, all the way up to here. Listen, one of my favorite things to do is just stretching up your little toes. Look at this. Oh, you can't see. Oh, look. Okay. Fuck, this is so awkward. This right here, every time I stretch up, that's the muscle that's being used. Woo! And I don't use it enough, obviously. Otherwise, this wouldn't be winding me right now. I'm an adult who's had mobility in my legs for like 30 something years. Why is this making me tired? Like, basic movements shouldn't be making my heart pump. Like, so one of my problems is obviously most jobs now they require you to be on the computer. All student forms of like research are done on the computer at home. You don't have to go to a library to access information. It is just, oh, it's always there. Which I think is not a bad thing. I don't think it's a bad thing to always have access to information, but I do think that it is, for myself at least, my body experiences it as a negative thing because I'm not really like actually learning I'm not comfortable learning. My body is in pain more than it is feeling pleasure at the experience of taking in information, because learning is lots of fun. However, if you are in chronic pain or your body is constantly, sending signals to you, ouch, 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 it is like so fucking distracting. Like, I can't focus on anything else except for the fact that my shoulders are so tense and my ass is numb from sitting. Like, it is a lot more challenging to keep information in your brain when you are constantly signaling to yourself, your body is signaling to itself and to you that there are more important things to focus on. You must remember your survival. Your body is in pain. Why are you distracting yourself? Why aren't you running, kind of thing? Or like, why aren't you running away? How like signals to your body will encourage you to act in a certain way, so that, well, for example, we act and react to pain signals in a way that allows us to alleviate that pain. So if you for example, I'm like literally I'm twisting my body. I am like malforming my body to fit into this little box here for you, for this, for me and for you. It's important for me to hold myself accountable to my own physicality, but it's also, I think, important to kind of like share these thoughts. Because it's like confusing being a person. And it's challenging to be a person and to be alone. And it's challenging to be a person who is like conscious, well, that's too much for me. Who's like conscious of the fact that they're going to die. Just being aware that death is inevitable and feeling like so I want to move like that. There we go. Ooh, youch. That is fucking aching. Yeah. Okay, I think I just realized. Quote me from any hentai. Yeah. Sorry, don't do that. Picking up the lingo from the wrong kind of media. Yeah. Oh, holy cow. Whew. Okay. So this is like, can you even tell? A very uncomfortable. Oh. But it feels good. I'm like really twisting in a very strange way. Like whatever muscle is supposed to be there. I'm trying to stretch out and straight to my toes too. So all the way down. And I find like, especially with all the work that I'm doing, which I love. I love being active and taking on more, again, physical experiences for my body because I deserve it. I deserve to feel good and capable and like I'm not being held hostage by my body and instead I'm working with my body because sometimes that's what it feels like when I'm in pain is that I'm just a mind in flesh. And I mean that's true. That's exactly hello me. I wonder if I'm gonna watch this back. Hello, it's me, the mouth of you. Not the brain. But like the expression. Um yeah, like I feel sometimes like my brain and the intellectual side of me feels really fucking bogged down by the amount of like distraction that's always in my neck and in my feet because I like to be barefoot, but I don't know how to be barefoot properly. Hold on, wait. I know. Play to your strengths, right? Okay. Um Oh my god, what was I saying? I got distracted by my ass. I want to think about for a second. Oh yeah, my brain and my body, separate beings completely. like um yeah, and so feeling like I'm being like I'm not able to allow my brain to access all the things that I deserve to know and deserve to feel, and I forget that I deserve to experience happiness and comfort and not just perpetual discomfort. And I think oh, that's a stretch like right here. I like that. Well, that hurts. Yeah. Um mm, yeah. Holy cow. That loosened up here. Oh, fuck. Oh. Did I just fucking crack my head? As if I got that on camera. Don't put weights on your bed. Don't stretch next to your weights. That wasn't a crack, was it? Ugh, I've never cracked my head before. Okay. Oh my god, I'm nervous. That didn't sound like a crack. And it doesn't hurt. I don't know what I'm supposed to be feeling. I like it doesn't hurt. Is it supposed to hurt? It just kind of feels like someone slapped you upside the head. And it really wasn't that hard. I'm probably fine. Because I can still think. Mostly. My brain. He's like, let me out. See, my brain knew that I was close enough that I could bonk my head and free him. That's why my body did that. God, don't do that. Anyway, take care of yourself, please, because who knows? Maybe this is it. Maybe this will be fucked my last video. Hi. Bye. Jesus. Love you. I hope you love yourself. Okay, take care. Drink water.